Welcome to my lecture. Today we are going to discuss about the factorizations of numbers. This is again important. This is an important topic for Olympiad mathematics related to the grade 4 and grade 5. Now, what is factorization? Factorization is a process to express a natural number as the product of two or more natural numbers. Naturally, that those numbers will be the smaller number of the given numbers, and with repetition allowed means one natural number can appear two times in the factorization process. And there is two type of the factorization. One is the composite factorization, another one is the prime factorization. So prime factorization is more important. So in this process of the factorization, so we can have more than one factorizations of a particularly given number, and we have one factorizations where the each factors are the prime number. So that is called the prime factorization. And any other factorization is known as the composite factorization. So each number have a prime factorization always, and at least one factorization is possible for any number. If the function is prime number, then you have only one factorization, and that is prime factorization. So here is facts. Every natural number have a factorization. Prime numbers have only prime factorization. So here we will see the factorization of few prime numbers. We already discussed the prime numbers previously. So here you have 2 can express only 1 multiply 2. 3 can be 1 multiply 3. 5, 1 multiply 5. 7, 1 multiply 7. And so on 11, 13, 17, 19. So those are the prime numbers and have only one factorizations, and all the factorizations are prime number. So this is prime factorization. Next, we will take some factorization of the composite numbers. So let's say 4. So 4 can be factorized as 1 multiply 4 and 2 multiply 2. So only these two factorization possible for the number 4, and the prime factor is 2 multiply 2, because here is 2 is a prime number, and as I mentioned before, that repetition is allowed. Next, take 6. So 6 can be factorized as 1 multiply 6, 2 multiply 3, and again 2 multiply 3 is the prime factorization. Now for 8, we'll have 1 multiply 8, 2 multiply 4, and 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So 3 factorizations for 8, and the last one is the prime factorization. Let's take a little bit bigger number, 24. So 24, you can factorize 1 multiply 24, 2 multiply 12, 3 multiply 8, 4 multiply 6, and then 2 multiply 3 multiply 4, and which further can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 6, and the last one is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 8, and this last one is the prime factorization. Take number 50. So 50 can be factorized as 1 multiply 50, 2 multiply 25, 5 multiply 10, and the last one is 2 multiply 5, multiply 5, which is prime factor. Now, process of prime factorization. So how we are doing these factorizations? If question is asking only prime factorizations and you have to give the answer quickly, then how we'll do that? Let's take the number 252. So it is an even number. So smallest prime number which can be factor of this number is 2. So therefore, we will take and divide 252 by 2. And then you will get 2 multiply 126. Now again, we will try to do the factor of 126. Again, it's an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So we'll take another 2, and then we are getting 2 multiply 2 multiply 63. Now 63 is divisible by 3. So we will take 3, and then we are getting it is 3 multiply 21. So now 21, we know it is 3 multiply 7. So we got the prime factorization is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. Next, take the example 165. So 165 is end with 5, so it will be divisible by 5. Maybe it will be divisible by 3, but it is first look, you can say that it is divisible by 5. So we'll take with 5, and we are getting 5 multiply 33. Now 33 is, can we factorize that? 3 multiply 11, and all are prime number, so we got the prime factorization. Next, take 196. So this one again, even number, so 2 is obvious. Maybe it can be divisible by other number, but we start with 2. So it is 2 multiply 98. Again, 98 is even, so we'll factor with 2. We will get 2 multiply 2 multiply 49. Now 49 is 7 multiply 7. So therefore you will get it. The prime factorization is 2 multiply 2 multiply 7 multiply 7. So we just listed few numbers. 52 can written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 13. So you can adopt the previous process and you can apply here. 56, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. 75 is 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. 81 is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 100 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5. 125 is 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. These are prime factorizations of some selected composite number. You can try for any other numbers. Next, we will discuss power of natural numbers. Just few example.